Hello, I'm at Munnar, and these are the waterfalls, and that's our hotel, and my brother is with me too. These are arches, and my brother is at Munnar too. Say hi, Ludwig. Say hi. Yeah, he likes me. Yeah, she likes to play very much. And while let's look at the nature in Munnar. These are the arches that are made of flowers. Can you see these leaves? They're made out of flowers. And these are the flowers at Munnar. Then aren't they pretty? Yep, they are. These are huge art, medium art. And this is our waterfalls. Let's see the waterfalls. And these are other waterfalls. There's a baby waterfall, a mama waterfall, and a daddy waterfall. And these are the squash plants. And these are amazing. And let's go for a walk now. I can see all types of plants like this flower. And these amazing. This is a nice walk. Good walk. This is alright. We just finished our walk. And now, let's see the nature. I came to the water. And this is the plants. And these are the wires, so no thief can get in or cut them. And these are the plants. And this is the plants above. And these are all the flowers, I guess. And goodbye. And goodbye. See you next time.